Monte Carlo simulation is a powerful mathematical technique used to model uncertainty and randomness in complex systems. The method was developed during World War II by scientists working on nuclear research, including Stanislaw Ulam and John von Neumann. They named it after the famous Monte Carlo casino, highlighting its reliance on randomness. Monte Carlo methods are used across industries: finance, engineering, physics, and even medicine. They help price financial derivatives, optimize supply chains, and simulate climate change models. The key idea is simple: run thousands or even millions of random simulations to approximate real-world outcomes. The more simulations we run, the more accurate our predictions become. Monte Carlo methods are essential for decision-making under uncertainty, helping businesses and researchers navigate complex, unpredictable environments. In this course, you'll learn how to build and apply Monte Carlo simulations to real-world problems. Let's get started.